Welcome to Whitlock Garage, where we're united by trucks. Today on What's in My Driveway, we're going to be showing you a killer slammed 1970 C10 in a really unique color combination. Alright guys, so today on What's in My Driveway, we're going to be showing you that 1970 slammed C10 in a really unique color combination that I mentioned in the intro. We got Rusty Smith here today to talk to us about his truck. Doing all right?
Good to see you.
Good to see you too, buddy. Thanks for bringing the truck over today. This thing is awesome. Tell us a little bit about what we're looking at.
Well, I've had this truck about 4 years. Me and my son picked it up just to sort of maintain. It was already built. So other than maintaining it, fixing stuff when it breaks, we haven't done anything to it.
Man, you don't need to with this thing.
No, we just enjoy it.
Is it a truck out of Georgia? Did it come out of Georgia?
Originally it's out of South Carolina, and I bought it from a guy in Smyrna.
Okay, awesome. So it looks like 15x7 American Racing Torque Thrust TTOs with two 5560s, and then 15x8.5 on the rear with two 7560s. Yeah, this thing just has a beautiful stance, killer wheel and tire setup. You have to forgive some of the shadows it's morning here, but this color combination is really, really cool. Really nice, clean interior. I'm gonna call that parchment just for the sake of not knowing exactly what it is, but I think that's what it is. What's the steering wheel out of in this thing? That's definitely not a C10 steering wheel.
No, actually when I saw you down at the swap meet, I was carrying that thing around.
Yeah. So what is it out of?
A Nova.
A Nova. Yeah.
It matched the interior.
Well, it's got that deluxe trim ring on it. I mean, that is just.
It had like a 15-inch steering wheel in it.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, I'm with you. Man, this thing is just really, really cool. All right, so you know what people are going to want to know and want to see.
What's that?
What's under that hood?
All right.
Y'all check this out. All right, Rusty, what are we looking at?
Small block 406. Having gone the LS route.
Some people on this channel will thank you for that.
Yeah, you know, if it's not broke,
don't fix it.
I don't fix it. And
man, this is a beautiful motor.
Everyone needs a little uncertainty in their life, and this thing definitely provides that.
I like that, a little uncertainty in their life.
Yeah.
Man, this is killer. Is it a turbo 350 transmission?
Yep.
That's cool.
It's geared really high on the interstate. You can run 85 miles an hour.
Wow, like that's cool. That is really cool. All right, so we've had some discussion about the stance. So we know it started out with a 4.5/6.
Yeah. But
it's probably closer, in my opinion, to about a 5.5/7. And
yeah, it's a little bit of a mystery. The guy who built it had someone drop it for him.
Well, I'll tell you what, they nailed it. I mean, it is.
He sent him a picture.
Just beautiful.
Yeah, he sent him a picture with it, the 4.5/6, and he asked him to take a little bit out.
It looks killer.
So I know where every speed bump and cargo is.
That's most guys with lower trucks, especially since this thing has long tubes on it.
It's actually a really reusable truck. I mean, I haul stuff from home and throw in, I haul motorcycles.
Heck yeah, that's the way to do it. So one of my favorite things about the 67 to 72 trucks is the bed, especially when they're clean. Look how clean this one is. Also, Rusty's got some really cool Toolboxes, cooler in the back. You can't beat that. One other thing, you know I like decals on trucks. Minimal decals, and that's a cool one.
I'm not above putting coolers in there as props, but I'm actually going to pick up a motorcycle later, so that stuff's in there.
Yeah, that stuff's in there for a reason. That's right. Well, funny thing is, if you open up the cooler on Teddy, there's a tool bag in there.
Oh yeah,
like, it doesn't even.
This one. Yeah, that one's drinks.
That's right. That's the way to do it. Yes, that's another important point. I mean, Rusty uses this truck. He hauls motorcycles around into it. He's around in it. He's really into that kind of stuff too. So this guy's full of all sorts of fun. All right, so next thing is, you want to go for a ride in it?
Yeah, man.
All right, guys. About to go for a ride in this beast. Wow, the interior is clean in here.
Yeah.
Man. I like this on the glove box, no fair shake.
My son recently was diagnosed with epilepsy. He had symptoms. He had a seizure over Thanksgiving last year.
Right.
And kind of brought up a lot of conversations about life's not always fair.
Yeah.
You know?
Yep.
And kind of as a sense of humor.
Man, that is
play
so
on
cool.
it. We had Justin Brand put that on there. And anyway, that was
That
really
is
kind of a fun
really
thing.
cool. And I mean, it just goes perfectly with the theme of this truck.
Yeah.
Like, pinstriping there on the B-pillar. I mean, this thing is just extremely clean. Dude, this thing is just cool. You just can't beat a motor like that. A Gen 1 small block. Keep going straight. We'll go to the three-way stop and make a left. Yeah, this thing sounds awesome. So how long have you owned this truck?
A little over almost 5 years now, maybe 4.5.
Wow, has it been that long?
Yeah. Yeah. It's kind of one that,
You have a special bond with?
I kind of do. You know, you start putting pinstriping on
Absolutely.
it like that. You know, like start making it yours. But
Yeah, it's just really cool. Do you have any ideas at Flowmasters?
oh yeah,
For the exhaust?
yeah, 3-inch Flowmasters.
Just turn left there.
You know, radical cam. They drop out right below the cab. Am I
Man,
going left here?
you can go left to the next one. I just love the color.
Yeah, green and gold. Got a weakness for green and gold.
Yeah. Just really clean.
Yeah, they took care of it for sure. He sent me pictures. The guy bought it from before he did all the work to it, and it was a cool looking truck. Had rallies on. You
Oh,
know,
yeah.
sitting up. You know,
And you left here, sorry. And you said that the tan in the belt line was added, so the truck's originally
and on the
this
rear.
bronze color.
no, the tan where the tan is, it was white.
That's right. Just keep going straight. But the bronze, the brown, bronze, gold is the original color.
Yes, it is. That's the original paint.
Yeah, obviously that's
I'm all
all-
about original. I would have left the white in.
Yeah, me
if I
too.
didn't know, but
I don't know, it makes it,
it looks good the
like
way
I
you
said,
did
it just makes it really unique.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm with you. If it's got original paint on it, I'm not painting over it. Just go right here. So that's a look at Rusty Smith's 1970 C10 short bed. I mean, I think you would agree this thing has an amazing stance, killer wheel and tire package, and an excellent drivetrain. I mean, that Joker sounds super healthy, as you've heard. So Rusty, really appreciate you bringing the truck by, man.
Hey, man,
this is really awesome.
Enjoyed it.
And yeah, what a cool truck you've got. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed the review and in-depth look at Rusty Smith's 1970 Chevy C10 slammed with an old school rake and a 406 small block Chevy. Really enjoyed Rusty coming over. That's a super clean, solid truck, and we just had a blast riding around and talking about it. Also, we've got some new UBT gear up on the website. I think you'll recognize sort of the inspiration for the new design. So we're running a little UBT STP patch t-shirt promo where you can buy a t-shirt for 20 bucks. Go check that out. I'll put a little link here, or is it here? Anyway, I'll put a little link up there and down in the description. Y'all go check it out. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. You can smash that like button, that little thumbs up button right below the screen there. Leave us a comment. Also let us know what you think about Rusty's truck. We appreciate you tuning into Whitlock Garage. We'll catch you next time.